So my trailer tire is touching that white line now. Counter it. So when I say counter it, I mean get over in front of the trailer with the tractor. Get back straight. So as you see, I'm crooked. I'm gonna show you how you fix that. Alright guys, so I'm going in dock number 20. I can either do a straight back or I can do it at an angle. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably do a straight back. I'm gonna just do a straight back. So that's even more perfect. The guy just pulled us, so I got all the room to just do a straight back. So I'm just gonna use the space. I'm just gonna use the space that I have. I'm cheating, guys. Definitely cheating. Hook it around. I can see that I'm lining up, and there we go. So when you have the space, you just make your backing as simple as possible. You know, you don't have to always do it at a 90 degree or a 45. You know, just use your space to the best of your ability to make your backing as simple as possible. You know, you don't have to overcomplicate things. So my trailer tire is touching that white line now. Contour it. So when I say contour it, I mean get over in front of the trailer with the tractor. Get back straight. So as you see, I'm crooked. I'm gonna show you how you fix that. So I go back. Now I'm gonna pull forward to the right to break that direction. So I need to go over more to the right. So turn the steering wheel left, then get over in front of the trailer by counter steering, then back to the left to get straight. Alright, so let's see how I do. We should have slid the tandems to the back. But yeah, that's how it is. It's perfectly lined up. And they locked us in already. And we're about to start getting loaded. I mean, and we still can't slide it. Okay. So that's it, guys. You know, that's just another backing maneuver. POV. You know, I'm showing you what I see, and so you have an idea. Because I know not everyone understands the terms, you know, the steering terms and how it works when you're steering the trailer. Because when you're backing up, first you gotta steer the trailer into the position where you want to go, and then once you get the trailer in where you want it to go, then you steer the tractor. So first you're gonna steer the trailer first, and then you steer the tractor. Alright guys, so support the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe to my videos. You know, to everyone that is new watching this video, subscribe and like and share while you can. Appreciate you. See you on the next one.